All right, breaking news coming in. Sachin Pilot says no talks as of now are going on with the leadership of the Congress party. Sachin Pilot has also said he has not attributed any condition for any compromise as of now. He also said that there is nobody from the top rank of the Congress party, presumably from the Gandhis, who is talking to Sachin Pilot. The Pilot group is also saying that Ashok Gehlot has only 84 MLAs in support. Rest are with Sachin Pilot. Dev Ankur Vadavan, my colleague, who is our local bureau star here, trying to keep developments, all of us up to pace with the developments. Dev, now Sachin Pilot camp, Sachin Pilot himself not speaking at all, but people close to him are putting out that the numbers being projected by Mr. Gehlot are not as high as being made out in the media, and very importantly, they say no talks are being held right now with the top command of the Congress party.
Well, clearly, Ankit, conflicting reports emerging out of the Gehlot camp, out of the emissaries that were sent by Sonia Gandhi and out of the Pilot camp. We have spoken with Randeep Singh Surjewala, Avinash Pandey and Ajay Makin, who arrived yesterday night for the dinner meet at Ashok Gehlot's residence, and they clearly mentioned to us that in the past 72 to 48 hours, not just Rahul Gandhi but Sonia Gandhi and the three emissaries have been in contact with Sachin Pilot. They went on record mentioning that Pilot has been spoken to 6 times in the last 48 to 72 hours. But what we are given to understand is that Pilot right now is kind of adamant. He believes that he has been insulted, that he is not consulted in several processes of government, that he's kept in abeyance, that he has been sidelined by Ashok Gehlot, and all of these grievances have to be conveyed to the party high command. Also, Ankit, Pilot is adamant on the numbers front. He mentions that he has 25 to 30 MLAs with him right now camping in Delhi NCR, and he believes that the numbers that are coming out of Gehlot camp, ranging from 106 to 110, are in the realm of are a kind of a figment of his imagination. He mentions that these numbers are not realistic. And one important bit, Ankit, out here, that Vishwendra Singh, who's a cabinet minister of Rajasthan, has tweeted. He has mentioned that whatever my decision is, that will depend on the benefits for those people who have elected me. Now, Vishwendra has also tweeted few photos of Sachin Pilot, clearly trying to convey the message that he firmly remains with Sachin Pilot. Now, how this situation pans out in the days to come, because remember, no one has asked Ashok Gehlot to prove the numbers so far. Now, if the situation comes to that, will Gehlot have the numbers? Yes. Why has the need, a reason to keep MLAs at the party hotel, at the hotel on the Delhi Jaipur road? Now, all of these are
that's a very important
questions which
point that
need to be asked, and clearly Gehlot has.
We'll have to wait. We'll have to wait for Mr. Gehlot to come out and answer a few of these questions. Dave, I request you to stay on with me, and let's bring our viewers, as Dave was telling us. Let me very quickly once again show you this Fairmount Hotel Resort, which is right now being manned by the police. You can't go inside because there is a massive police deployment here as well. But the fact is that, very interestingly, there are still the Income Tax Department raids that started here in the morning, along with some other people, those who were in fact seen close to Ashok Gehlot. That raid is still going on. So on one hand, the Income Tax Department is raiding this very hotel, and on the other, Ashok Gehlot, in a sense of confidence possibly, has brought all his MLAs, whosoever is with him, at this very property behind me.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.